Enjoy a seamless, fully digital washing experience with the ultra-slim Equator 13-pound super washer. Measuring 33.25 inches by 23.5 inches by 22 inches with a total capacity of 13 pounds, this sleek, compact design is the ideal solution for apartments, tiny homes, and all other spots where space is limited. With 12 individual cycle settings such as towels, quick 20, and quiet, achieving the perfect level of clean is always possible. Aside from its 12 individual cycle, wash options include pre-wash, extra rinse, no spin, delay start, memory, and chime. The built-in winterize cycle is easy to operate and takes just 2 minutes to complete. Another feature that makes the Equator Super Washer ideal for small spaces is its quiet function, which runs under 60 decibels. Other top-tier features include an electronic control panel with color-coded LED display, child lock, built-in diagnostics, angled 45-degree door handle, and delay start. As with all Equator appliances, the 824N model comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Stack an Equator dryer on top of the 824N washer to complete the washer and dryer set using the rear stacking kit. Bring home the Equator Super Washer today.